हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द हॉबी हब क्रिएटिंग इमेजिनेशन इनटू रियलिटी। आज हम लाए हैं एक क्रिएटिव एंड यूनिक ओपन मी लेटर विद डिफरेंट इमोशंस फॉर बर्थडेज एंड स्पेशल ओकेजन्स। फॉर मेकिंग दिस लेटर यू नीड पैटर्न शीट्स, चार्ट पेपर एंड इमोजीज। यह मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को गिफ्ट किया ऑन हिज बर्थडे। अगर आपको ऐसी क्रिएटिव अपडेट्स चाहिए सो डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल। And now let's read out all the letters with different emojis. Let's start. Open when you're receiving this. Alright, here is a message for you. Always remember you are a special person and amazing and kind-hearted. East or west, my baby is the best. You are different, you are unique. I love you, baby. Always stay the way you are. Open when you are happy. I'm a much happier person because you are the reason behind my joy. Because you love me, I have started to love myself more. I can't stop falling in love with you over and over again. Open when you feel to hug me. I wish I could hug you right now because you are my lucky charm. You are the source of all my strength. Having you around me makes me feel so much stronger and happier that I cannot put in words. Open when you feel lonely. Why to feel lonely, baby? I'm always with you, my baby. Open when I'm being annoying. I wish I could take back anything that is annoying. I'm sorry that I let my emotions get the better of me. I deeply appreciate you being in my life and supporting me through everything. Open when you miss me. Okay, I miss you too. I know how it feels. I really wanna be with you now at this time too. But you always say, time तो देता ही हूँ ना. I know baby, but I love you. Now open when you cut the cake. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, आप जियो हजारों साल, ये है मेरी आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to my love, happy birthday to you, happy birthday.